my nigga Shorty from Cali right here. She about to spit some of that, talk some of that gangster shit to y'all.
Fuck boys on deck. Shout out to my boy, Mr. Realtalk. Y'all niggas know what it is. Fuck with me, Cali, West Coast, Compton, all the way. Y'all niggas don't want none. Fuck with it. Smoking on that good bud. Y'all niggas know what it is. Fuck boys on deck.
Yeah, goddammit, y'all heard it first off. Goddammit, Shorty fuck with Mr. Realtalk. Goddammit, let's play some of that Mr. Realtalk music, you feel me?
Shorty walk like she talk like she know that I'm a she.
Hey. West Coast.
She talk like she know that I'm
Yeah.
Fuck boy.
Yeah.
It's Shorty walk
and she talk like she know that I'm a she.
Hey, that bitch know I'm the shit. Yeah.
Shorty walk and she talk like she know that she.
This Shorty right here, goddammit,
Fuck
first hand.
boy.
Cali swag, you hear me?
All day.
She swagging and surfing on these niggas.
Hey.
Shorty, goddammit. Shorty walk and she talk like she know that
I'm the shit. Hey.
She a 5-star bitch, 45-star dick. Shit, I'm jumping like a mattress. The loud got me active. I smoke that for breakfast. Fuck this, you said. Well, that's how to check it. I'm all about my president. Cocky and I'm arrogant. Mirror on the wall. Who the flying cover wall? Mr. Real Talk. Looking for this real talk. Sexy ass. Yo! Baby, let's have a ball. We can go to the mall. Mr. Go and get it on. Tell me what you want, girl.
Mr. B, yo, world.
R-E-A-L. Never hope that's real. Always gonna be down. About me, yeah. I'm in shit.
Mr. Crazy Swag.
AKA the lady girl. Fucking when I fucking wear. Different color. Brown flowing rubber bands. Socks skinning on the
Shorty walk like she talk like she know that I'm a she.
I'm a real ass nigga, need a real ass bitch.
Shorty walk and she talk like she know that I'm a
I'm a real ass nigga, need a real ass bitch.
Shorty walk and she talk like she know that I'm a she.
Real ass nigga, need a real ass bitch.
Shorty walk and she talk like she know that
I'm a real ass nigga, need a real ass bitch. I'm fucking off the wheel like a Commodore.
Apostle, I like them in polo. Gucci and never Apostle. Want me be, I ain't gon' lie. Exotic got me extra high. Ask me why my bitch so fly and she reply because my God.
Hey!
Because I'm jumping like a new year. My girl gotta be over the top like okay.
You know I'm the shit, cause I'm hanging on the strip. My nigga got to work while my bitch hold the strip. Yeah. Nah. Laughing at these niggas like their name was Alibaba.
These tickets might as well be the father. When I'm done making money, that's when I found love.
The Shorty found shots like Louis V.
She know how to ride good, so she moving in.
Hey!
So as I roll up in the wind, like a lot of as I did, ain't my man.
Shorty know they see the I'm a real ass nigga, need a real ass bitch.
Like she know that.
I'm a real ass nigga, need a real ass bitch.
Like she talk like she know that.
I'm a real ass nigga, need a real ass bitch.
She talk like she know that.
I'm a real ass nigga, need a real ass bitch. She talk like she know that she can shit.
I'm a real ass nigga, need a real ass bitch.
So it's over, mommy move over. On to the next one, the sky and that's getting paper. Double cup, overhead, her brain amazing. Body shaped like a coke pile, I got her chasing. Loud to the bed, watch her bring me, get her naked. Don't rock her wear, girl, even I don't wear basic. Coach Dooney bag, looking bad as she carry her. No problem with her hustle hands to keep her nigga focused. And the bitches biting in that friend, she know that I'm the fucking man. Counting rubber bands, getting money, while she on me, man. I'm jumping like a match. My swagger's on the 1,000. I'm throwing nothing but loud. I'm bouncing on this mattress. I'm floating in the clouds. Don't need bread, still counting. Every day I ride around looking so important.
So glory!
I'm a real ass nigga, need a real ass.
Shawty walk and she talk like she know it.
I'm a real ass nigga, need a real ass.
Shawty walk and she talk like she know that I'm a shit. Yeah. Shawty walk and she talk like she know that I'm a shit. Yeah, yeah.